Hello everyone and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull Channel. Today we are going to take a look at the Bitcoin price, Ethereum. We are going to talk about my open trades, if I'm going to take some action in the upcoming days because some of the trades are already in the red. Uniswap, luckily back in the profit. Yesterday we were down $2,000, so now plus $200. That's quite nice. Besides that, we have the ETH trade over $10,000 in the profits, quite nicely as well. My Bitcoin trade over $6,000 in profit. We will talk about that later. For now, let's look at Bitcoin and what is going to happen. Bitcoin slipped a little bit below the $108,000, which is still quite normal for now as long as we stay above this line. It's very important that we stay above this line and that we have a nice rebound from this line. Let's quickly zoom in a little bit so we can see it more clearly. We already had a little bit of a bounce here in the last 15 minutes. It's very important that we bounce now to the upside and go for the $110,000 again. After that, we can expect a new all-time high and also our bigger price target at $141,000, which is the breakout price target of this inverse head and shoulders pattern here at $141,000. Besides that, this line has to hold right now. The next support would be at $105,000. That's where I would also open a trade if I wouldn't be in a trade right now. Besides that, next price target, as we mentioned, 110 and after 112, and once we break out from this zone here, the 141 is on the table. Now let's take a look here at my trades. We can see here my VeChain trade slightly in the negative, so I'm probably gonna add some more to it right now. Let's do it here live on the video. VeChain, let's add another 40,000 VeChain to the position and confirm. We opened a new long position here, limit order, it's still here, so once it will get filled, it will show up here, our margin will get bigger. My Uni position recovering. Yesterday we were a little bit underwater. If you watch my previous video, we were down like 2k on the Uni trade and now we are back in the profit. So I'm gonna play it safer. I should have added a little bit more to my position, but I didn't. So let's see. I still have some orders on Uni, as you can see here, but I might take some more profit because the margin is a little bit high, I have to say. Usually I like to use maximum $2,000 of margin, so I will deleverage a little bit once we go higher. Now the market price is 724. I would take some profits at 760 close and order plates. We can see my order here, the red dot line. I have an order here at 760 and also an order here at $8 once we will reach that level. For now, I had an order at 780. I closed it, unfortunately. We went to 780, but I had my order already closed, so I didn't take any profits, but it's a nice learning lesson. Now, what would be the price target for Uni? Uni, I would say, still support around $6, resistance at around 870, or after that, $10. My price target is actually the $10, so my main position, I will keep it at least until $10 and maybe even higher because Uni was $19 just a couple of months ago. With that being said, let's go over and look at the main catalyst for the altcoins, which is Ethereum. We can see here Ethereum is forming higher highs and higher lows, which is quite positive for Ethereum. We might go for our price target of 2,850. That's where I have my limit order already set to take some profits. This is not my whole position, just some profits just in case, and afterwards I'm going for even for higher price targets like $4,000. If you're not in an Ethereum position, I would open one here. This would be the safest place to do it at around $2,100. And besides that, if you want to be a little bit more risky, 2,300, that's where you can open a long position as well. That's where we have good support. And with that being said, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time.